Welcome back to another video. I just finished filming a video, so if you just were probably watching that video, you're probably watching this right now. So good. It's a double hitter today. We're doing two videos, two short clips. You know, why not? I'm trying to sit here and entertain you guys. I have nothing to do but go on Netflix and watch Money Heist, like I said, papel. So really quick, I was on right before I was filming the other video. I had one of my subscribers also follows me on Instagram, so shout out to you. Him and his girl, I guess, share this Instagram page where they do like couple stuff. So shout out to the Shirkies. He has the same bike. He has a 2020 Lowrider S as well, and he gave me a good idea. He was like, listen, why don't you do a video on how long your bike should stay off or on the battery tender, especially now for some of us that are not riding. So I thought that was a pretty good idea. So shout out to you, homie. Shout out to you. Really quick, if you are in the market, guys, and you are about to get a bike, or maybe you don't know about battery tenders, some people don't. This is a battery tender right here. Let me just show you. This goes plugged in, and this wire is connected to your bike, and that keeps your battery fully charged at all times. Harley Davidsons, if you're not really too familiar with Harley Davidsons or the newer models, they already come with the battery tender plug that comes already with the bike set up, which is amazing. You don't have to go out and spend money or do it the old school way where you got to take up the seat and you'll flip these. I'm gonna show you right now. So basically the old school way is taking these and plugging them on your battery, which is, yeah, the old school way. So now these new bikes actually come all set up. So all you really got to do is, if you come home from your ride or wherever you're coming from, you pull your bike in your garage, you take your plug, and then you just plug it in to your bike, and your battery will start automatically charging. Now you might be asking yourself, well, how about if I ride my bike every day? Do I need a battery tender? If you ride your bike every day, I think you should be fine. I always recommend the battery tender no matter what, just in case, just so it could just stay full of juice, because you always want the juice. Now for other less fortunate riders like me who only get to ride the bikes a few days out of the week, you should definitely keep your bike on the battery tender, guys. That's gonna conserve your battery really good. Because this is what happens. If you have a bike and you do not use a battery tender, and you only use your bike once a week, twice a week, or once every 2 weeks, or especially in the wintertime where you don't use it at all, in a few months your battery's gonna start dying, and when you go out for these rides, you're gonna have trouble turning your bike on, and your bike is gonna take a little longer turning on because it's gonna get that full potential out of your battery. And then in the long run, you're gonna have to buy another battery, which sucks, costs a lot of money, and then you gotta do work that wasn't necessary to do. So this is a real easy solution. It cost me maybe 15 or 20 bucks, I think, maybe $30. I got it at my Harley Davidson dealership, but you get off anywhere. And yeah, every time I come in for my rides, I plug in my bike. I mean, right now with the whole virus and everything, I've been literally riding and taking little rides almost every day. So it's been fully charged, but still, I plug it in there, let it get some juice, and that's it. That's the battery tender. That's how you're gonna conserve your battery life. You're gonna conserve your bike to stay healthier for such a long time. Many years. Many french fries. Hey guys, that's gonna be it. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. Really quick, let me just show you guys these decals that I have right here. Amazing, right? Pretty cool. Got a knucklehead right there, and then we got another little sexy bike right there with some sexy lady on there. Pretty cool. And you already know whose garage this is. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace.